Hi friends, welcome to Laxmaze 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about upper and lower functions in Tableau. Let's get started. Upper function in Tableau is used to convert all the characters passed to uppercase. For example, upper of calculation equal to calculation in uppercase. So upper function helps us to convert the string passed or the dimension passed within the upper function will be converted to the characters in the uppercase. The same way, let's know about lower function in Tableau. Lower function in Tableau is used to convert all the characters passed to lowercase. So as the name suggests, it is going to convert the string or the character passed within the lower function to lowercase letters. I mean small letters. So let me open Tableau desktop application and show you how upper function and lower functions can be used in Tableau. I have opened Tableau desktop application and I have taken sample superstore data and I'm going to create a calculated field. Before creating the calculated field, I want to bring region column to row shelf because we need something, any dimension to check how we can use the upper and lower functions in Tableau. So I have taken region per se. So you will be able to use anything you like. I am creating calculated field and upper and lower are string functions. As I said, we have all the functions available here. And if you click on all, we will be able to see different types of functions available in Tableau. And when we click on string, we will see the the list of string functions available in Tableau. And we have upper and lower available. Let me search for upper and we have the upper function available over here. And as soon as I click on that, you will be able to see the syntax of upper and how it can be, the description of it and when it can be used. Again, we have an example of how to use it as well. The same way, let's search for lower. So we have the lower function available and when we hover on that, we will be able to see the syntax of lower function and there is a description of what it is and when it can be used. And we have an example also which we can use it to explore how lower can be used in Tableau. Let's get started and build the upper function in Tableau. So upper function is already available. I am just using it. And now I am passing region. So why I have taken region is because we have only four values in region and it is very easy to compare the values and identify the difference. So let me rename the calculation to upper and I'm clicking on OK. And let me create one more calculation and rename it to lower, lower of region. And I'm clicking on OK. Let's bring lower and upper together to row shelf. Now we have region, lower and upper. Let's see the difference. So as the name suggests, lower converted all the characters passed within the lower function to lowercase letters and upper converted all the characters passed within to uppercase letters. This is how you can convert the dimensions or the strings passed within your data to whichever case required. So if you want the data to be changed to lowercase for some comparison or something, if the data is case sensitive, then you can convert all the characters to lower using lower function. And if your data is case sensitive and you want the values or the characters to be displayed in the upper case, then you can use upper function in Tableau. And same, you'll be able to change any dimension over here. Let me edit the calculation. So here instead of region, if you want to put customer name or customer ID or product name, state, anything you will be able to change it and you can use it as per your requirement. This is how upper and lower functions can be useful in your data analysis or data transformation.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.